Hi everyone, welcome to High Club. Welcome back again on another episode. Join me as I dive into a world of aviation technology that try to explain what makes a fly-by-wire so revolutionary. Fly-by-wire, or FBW, is a flight control system that has revolutionized the way aircraft operate. Originating in the 1970s, FBW systems have become the standard in modern commercial aviation, providing unparalleled level of safety, efficiency, and performance. But what's exactly fly-by-wire, and why is it so significant? The traditional mechanical flight control has several major limitations. They were heavy, complex, and prone to mechanical failure, which could be catastrophic. Additionally, they're limited to aircraft's maneuverability and responsiveness, making them less efficient and less safe. As aircraft technology advanced, it became clear that a new approach was indeed to meet the demands of the modern flight. Mechanical controls also relied on physical linkages between the cockpit and the control surfaces, which added weight and restricted the aircraft's design. They were also sensitive to weather conditions and air turbulence and pilot input, making it difficult to maintain a smooth and constant flight. The need for a more advanced, reliable, and efficient system was clear. The fly-by-wire system replaced the mechanical linkages with electronic signals, transmitted through wires, which greatly improved safety and reliability on the aircraft. This electronic system enables the aircraft to respond more quickly and accurately to pilot input, reducing the workload on the pilot and allowing them to focus on their critical tasks. With FBW, the aircraft's onboard computers can also analyze data in real time, making adjustments to the flight trajectory and control surfaces to ensure optimal performance and safety. This has led to significant improvement in fuel efficiency, reduced maintenance costs, and increased passenger comfort. Take for an example, the Airbus A320 was the first commercial airliner to adopt fly-by-wire concept. In 1988, an Airbus A320 suffered a catastrophic failure of its mechanical flight control during the demonstration. But the FBW system kicked in, allowing the pilot to regain control of the aircraft and land safely. This incident showcased the reliability and safety of fly-by-wire technology. In another instance, during a severe thunderstorm, a commercial airliner using FBW technology was able to navigate through the turbulent weather with ease, thanks to the system's advanced sensors and real-time data analysis. The pilots were able to focus on navigating the storm, while the FBW system took care of the aircraft's flight trajectory. The benefits of fly-by-wire technology is undeniable. It has significantly reduced the risk of mechanical failures, improved pilot workload, and enhanced overall flight safety. As the aviation industries continue to evolve, it's clear that fly-by-wire will remain a crucial component of modern aircraft design. So, what makes fly-by-wire so revolutionary? In short, it's a combination of advanced electronics, real-time data analysis, and improved safety that has transformed the aviation industry. Don't forget to drop your comments if you have any other concerns. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to High Club. I would also interested to know your favorite aircraft innovations. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other videos on aviation related. Until I see you again, stay safe and stay strong.